Hi, I'm Dr. Sid Panchamia with Omni Spine Joint. If you're struggling with chronic back pain that hasn't improved with traditional treatments, you may be a candidate for PRP therapy. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. It's a regenerative treatment that uses your body's own healing properties to help repair damaged or inflamed tissues. We begin by drawing a small amount of your blood. That blood is then processed to concentrate the platelets, which contain powerful growth factors that support healing. Unlike many practices that use prepackaged kits off the shelf, we use a proprietary method of preparing and concentrating our platelet-rich plasma. This allows us to create a higher quality product that is customized to the patient, which may improve the effectiveness of treatment. Once prepared, the PRP is injected precisely into the injured area using image guidance for safety and accuracy. PRP therapy is often used for chronic disc pain, facet joint pain, and ligament injuries and other spine-related conditions. The goal is not to simply mask the pain, but to support your body's own natural healing response. Because PRP is derived from your own blood, it is a non-surgical and medication-free option for appropriate patients. We treat patients in Riverview, Clearwater, and the surrounding Tampa Bay communities who are looking for advanced non-surgical solutions for chronic pain. If you're interested in learning whether PRP is right for you, we would be happy to evaluate your condition and discuss your options. Call our Riverview office at 813-533-5522 or our Clearwater office at 727-724-6373 to schedule an appointment. We look forward to helping you move toward lasting relief.